How to dry clothes in a rainforest without sunlight. Welcome to the jungle. Forget the beautiful documentaries. Here, the air is as thick as hot soup. Humidity sits at 99%, and everything is wet. The ground is wet, the trees are wet, and most importantly, you are wet. You think, it's just a little water, it's hot out, who cares? Wrong. Water conducts heat 25 times faster than air. A soaked outfit will suck the heat right out of your core even at 77 degrees F, 25 degrees Celsius. And worse, rot. Fungus, chafing, and trenchfoot will eat your flesh after 24 hours of being wet. In this humidity stew, water doesn't evaporate on its own. You have to force it out with physics and violence. Method 1. The torque. Wring. Don't wring your clothes by hand like you're doing laundry at home. Your muscles are weak, and they can't beat the surface tension of water in the fabric. You need torque. Find a sturdy small tree. Wrap the wet shirt around the trunk and grab the 2 sleeves. Now, stick a short, strong branch through the middle of the shirt to create a lever. Twist it. Twist it hard. Use that stick as a fulcrum to compress the fibers to the absolute max. You will see water pouring out like a river even when you thought you wrung it dry. This is mechanical compression. Squeeze the water out before you even think about drying. Method 2. The jungle smoker. In the rainforest, the air is already saturated, so a clothesline is useless. You need heat to lower the local relative humidity around your gear. Build a fire. You don't need roaring flames. You need coals and heat. Build a tripod out of bamboo or green branches so they don't catch fire, about 3 feet over the heat. Drape your clothes over it like a teepee, cone shape. The heat rises, passes through the fabric, and carries the moisture away. Warning. Don't cook your clothes. Check the temperature with your hand constantly. Bonus. Smoke. Smoke kills the bacteria and fungus waiting to eat your crotch and armpits. Smoked clothes. Fresh-smelling, moldy clothes. Method 3. The Prehistoric Iron. Fire died down? Don't waste the residual heat. Find some smooth river rocks the size of your fist. Roast them in the fire until they are hot, then pull them out and let them cool slightly. Test with a splash of water. If it sizzles instantly, it's too hot. Wait. Wrap the hot rock inside a sock, or roll it inside a wet t-shirt. The heat conducts directly from the stone to the fabric, driving the water out from the inside. Roll the rock back and forth like an iron. You can also bury hot rocks under a thin layer of dirt and dry leaves, then lay your clothes on top. That's a natural radiant floor heating system. Method 4. The body dryer. Sounds miserable, but sometimes it's the only way when you are on the move. If your clothes are just damp, not soaking wet, put them on. But here is the secret. Wear them under a rain shell or windbreaker. When you move, your body generates massive heat. The outer shell traps that heat, turning the space between your skin and the shirt into a mini dryer. Your body heat pushes the moisture out of the inner layer. Note, only do this while moving. If you stop and sleep in wet clothes, you get hypothermia. Method 5. The dry or die rule for feet. You can wear a wet shirt, but never keep wet socks on overnight. Feet soaked for too long get trenchfoot. The soft tissue dies, the skin sloughs off, and you can't walk. Loss of mobility in the jungle equals death. If your socks are wet, wring them out, then stuff them in your waistband, right against your stomach or in your armpits while you sleep. Those are the hottest spots on your body. By morning, the socks will be dry, or at least warm, and your feet will still be attached. The bottom line: embrace the damp. In the rainforest, bone dry is a luxury. Your goal is warm damp. Don't panic when everything feels sticky. Keep the critical areas dry: feet, crotch, and armpits. If it's raining and you aren't moving, strip. Put your dry clothes in a waterproof bag. Sitting out the rain half naked is better than soaking your only set of clothes. Your skin is more waterproof than cotton. Don't let the jungle rot you. Wring it out, use fire, use rocks, and save your feet.